can't wait to spend the entire day adventuring around Tokyo and end my day right there, underneath that highway interchange, walking distance from Daikoku Futo. One of the coolest spots to see Japanese car culture in all of Japan is walking distance from my room right here. So we're gonna end the day over there, see some crazy Japanese tuner cars. So stoked. It's walking distance. It's a big deal because you can't really take a taxi there, and you can't really walk there, and you have to drive there. You can't even take the train. But I can walk there, and I can walk back here. So stoked. This is gonna be an awesome day. Let's go to Tokyo. Now we're walking through the Japanese National Gardens, which is full of cherry blossom trees, which hit their peak about a week or two ago, so we kind of missed the peak, but as you can see behind me, there's still plenty of foliage and beautiful cherry trees, which are planted all over the city. And we're just gonna kind of mosey on through Japanese gardens on our way to Shibuya. The Harajuku. Everyone here looks super hip, except me in my hoodie. And these are octopus balls. But not octopus testicles, just octopus inside of like breaded fried balls. Don't be, you can do it, Diego. Get in there. Is it hot? How is it?
Really good.
Good, then give me one. I'm exercising. Yeah. Main shopping district in Japan, it's called Shibuya. And if you guys remember that intersection where you always see like thousands of people in, that's here in Shibuya. Chaos! And of course there's a friggin' scubrat right there. Oh my god, it's rush hour on a Friday night. We're gonna get squished. Welcome to the world's busiest intersection for pedestrian traffic. Don't get run over. Oh god, this is not a good idea. Gohan desu, which means it's rice. Or let's get some food. Kanpai. Let's do it, Diego. And we're going down here into this comic book store. It's called Mandrake. It's way down in the depths underneath Shibuya, past the Backstreet Boys of Tokyo. No hamburgers or Coca-Colas in the store. And then there's nothing but fun. It's overwhelming. Goes on forever. It's like 10,000 square feet of all the coolest Japanese stuff ever made. Especially this guy. And this guy. He's $800. That gorilla. Yeah, take off 2 zeros.
What the fuck?
I don't know, he must be special. It's all here at Mandrake in the middle of Shibuya. All of it.
Obscure Japanese figures, toys, books, cards, comic books, costumes.
So $4,000 for a less than a foot tall plastic toy. Must be rare and special in many ways. The employees here are cool too. They wear cosplay outfits. See?
Part cat and part man.
This place is known as Drunkard's Alley. And each one of these sake restaurants has room for about 6 people, maybe 8 people. So it's very intimate. And some of them are just sake, and some of them are sushi, some of them are gyoza, some of them are ramen. And I think 4, maybe 5. Sake bar, literally 6 people. We're packed in here, and the bartender is from Washington, D.C.
Thank you for coming.
So far, it's been an awesome day hanging out in different sectors of Tokyo, but it's time to check out some cool cars at Daikoku Futo, which is a parking lot in the middle of like a highway interchange. And it's the epitome of Japanese car culture in Tokyo. Basically, the Fast and the Furious come to life. The subway system here is super simple. No problems. We got this. You just jump on the color and then you know. Oh man, we can do it. We can do it.
1283円です。はい、はい、来ましたよ。
Ice cream sandwiches in Japan are much more like waffles. They're not really like cookie. It's more like a waffle with ice cream inside. See, check it out. It's still very good. Monkey, motherfucker! There's this fence keeping me from getting in all the way around, but I found this secret doorway to get in. Right here. Holy shit. It was like a spy mission getting into this place. You just have to walk around until you find it. But here we are, Daikoku Futo, and it's pretty late, but we'll see what's here. Yeah, Bozuzuko. I really should have brought a better camera for this, but these fools are stunting. They're stunting all around. Here's a row of beautiful FDs. You can't see because it's too dark, but you'll have to take my word for it. I'm just gonna start doing aisle by aisle because I got a while to chill here.
This is the Supra.
That's the ship, and then I'm sitting in Daikoku Futo. So it's like right here, like just a quarter mile. And in between me and the ship, people are drifting on the road everywhere. It's wild. Dreams come true. R33 GTR, R32 GTR, you can't see shit. GTR. Yeah! Yeah! 1J. So there's a little like quickie mart here in the parking lot where you can like stop and get snacks. And the only way in and out of Daikoku, I'll get it one day, Futo, is through like a highway ramp. So you can like get here directly off the highway ramp or through this little secret door I had to sneak in. I'm filming this from my room, and that's Daikoku Futo right there where the cars meet. And if you listen, you can hear the sound of my people. A wonderful end to a beautiful day here in Tokyo. I think I packed about as much as you could possibly do into the 15 hours we were here.